Hello and welcome to another episode of the Ishan Arora Experience. That's right, I'm keeping these shades. I just feel more comfortable like this talking to a camera. Welcome to episode 30. That is right, 30 episodes of this wonderful podcast. भाई, I just have to address this one thing. लास्ट के वीडियो में किसी ने यूट्यूब पे कमेंट किया था, भाई तू इंग्लिश क्यों बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है, तू हिंदी में बात कर. इंग्लिश इज क्लियरली नॉट योर फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज नॉर आर यू कंफर्टेबल. दैट इज एक्चुअली अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट बिकॉज मेरे को इतने बार लोगों ने बोला है कि मेरा हिंदी sounds like I'm pretending. I sound like I've got a fake South Bombay accent. So I really appreciate whoever left that comment. For today's episode, I would like to discuss a few things with you guys. आप लोग के साथ मेरे को थोड़ी चीजें डिस्कस करनी है. Firstly, I have to talk about the intern life. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm interning right now, and I have worked. Okay, I have work ex for more than enough work ex I have, in my opinion. And abhi, as part of my MBA, I am interning. And I forgot interns को कितना कम काम रहता है. Like, don't get me wrong. Full time employees को तो काम रहता ही है. But interns, if you're lucky, you barely have any work. And if you're someone who's worked pehle and now you're interning, you just feel like a kid again. Like you have no responsibility, which is just sad. You have no responsibility. आपका आधा टाइम तो डिसाइड करने जाता है कि भाई यूट्यूब पे मैं क्या देखूं. एंड इफ यू हैव अ वेरी गुड टीम तो they will also give you work accordingly only because you can't really dump a lot of things on interns because उनको पता नहीं है प्रोसेस कैसा है. एंड मेरा इंटर्नशिप तो 2 महीने के लिए है. आई एम हियर फॉर 2 months ओनली. उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग बैक. सो दे कांट रियली गिव मी सो मच वर्क वेयर उनको ही बाद में प्रॉब्लम होगा वंस आई एम नॉट देयर. बिकॉज एक तरीका रहता है काम करने का, एक सेट वेज रहता है, क्लाइंट का अंडरस्टैंडिंग रहता है, वो सब आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करोगे. सो इंटर्न लाइफ इट्स लाइक यूर अ किड अगेन के आपको बेयर मिनिमम काम मिलेगा. आपका मैनेजर बोलेगा अरे चिल कर ले, कॉफी पी ले. एंड सरप्राइजिंगली आई फील इंटर्निंग इन अ लेटर स्टेज ऑफ योर लाइफ, ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ जैसे आई एम 35, बट it feels very different. It feels sort of weird also. Okay, you want to ask them for more work. You're just like, "के भाई मेरे को और काम दो," but you have to understand their point of view also. And especially if you're doing an internship because of your MBA, then तो you are barely there. Like you're literally there for 2 months. उतने में क्या ही करोगे आप? Even आपको करना रहेगा तो भी how much work will you do? वो है. Then this whole culture of having lunch together, I don't understand that. मेरे को नहीं lunch खाना है किसी के साथ. It's not that I have a problem with anyone. I really hope my team doesn't see this video. But the whole phase of when you join a workplace, at least for me, एक हफ्ता you have to be quiet. You have to keep to yourself. You can't really tell people के अरे नहीं, this is what I feel. मेरे political views ये है. You really have to sort of play your cards right. And it's not like people will have a problem with what you believe in, but you can't really say okay, I like Andrew Tate. They'll be like, we just sat down. I asked you how your day was. Why do you have to open with something like this? And then फिर figuring out the place, ठीक है, log in कितने बजे करना है, log out कितने बजे करना है, कौन काम नहीं करता है, कौन काम करता है, कॉफी मशीन का क्या सीन है, लंच टाइमिंग्स क्या है, what is a good place to eat in and around the office, meeting people. I just feel whatever your views are about work culture and working, I feel ke a lot of it matters who you are working with also. I feel ke if you've got a very good team, आपका client कितना भी घटिया हो, you will manage. I feel अगर आपका work environment, not office culture is dictated by the founders. मैं वो बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपका अगर work environment, आपका team अच्छा है ना, तो I feel आप निकाल लोगे. And हाँ, like I feel being an intern is it's strange थोड़े point के बाद, but ठीक है, you just get used to it. दूसरा चीज, I don't know why I took a big ass pause there. I was trying to read from my notes. इधर मेरे notes है. I recently attended a wedding. A friend of mine, actually my judo sir, it was his wedding, and it was a South Indian wedding. And I have to say this: Gujaratis are they're the most. I've no, I'm pretty sure ऐसे रहेंगे examples, but Gujarati आदमी जो है ना, is the most ऐसा street smart person out of all, like पूरे all the communities in India. I feel Gujaratis are the most street smart. All of us were planning on wearing dhotis, and मैंने मेरा धोती कैरी किया था. So I have this judo sir, हार्दिक सर करके, ठीक है, he is Gujarati. तो साउथ इंडियन वेडिंग में आउट ऑफ ऑल द पीपल हु आर अवेलेबल किसी को धोती बांधने को नहीं हो रहा था. लुंगी, सॉरी, लुंगी, धोती तो कुछ और होता है, बट लुंगी, एसेंशियली लुंगी बांधने को नहीं आ रहा था. दिस मैन हु इज गुजराती बाय द वे figured it out because he'd seen a YouTube video. उन्होंने मेरे को लुंगी बांध के दिया है. आई एम जस्ट लाइक, दिस इज नॉट इवन योर कल्चर थिंग. हाउ डिड यू फिगर दिस आउट? इज लाइक, अरे मैंने वीडियो देखा था. यूट्यूब वीडियो देख के मैन फिगर्ड आउट लुंगी कैसे बांधते हैं. सो आई फील गुजरातीज आर द मोस्ट स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट कम्युनिटी इन इंडिया. अभी मेरा ओपिनियन है, डोंट फकिंग गेट ऑफेंडेड. एवरीवन इज स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट, फक इट. पीपल फर्क है, हमारे बारे में क्यों नहीं बोला? अरे मेरा पॉडकास्ट है भाई, मैं किसी के बारे में भी बोलूं. बट पॉइंट बीइंग, आई अटेंडेड अ साउथ इंडियन वेडिंग. ब्रो 45 मिनट्स में वेडिंग खत्म. 45 मिनट्स, हाउ लवली. 45 मिनट्स में सब खत्म. एंड उसके बाद वी हैड रिसेप्शन. एंड रिसेप्शन के लिए कितना लंबा लाइन था. इट लुक लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू सम रिलीजियस विजिट. इतना लंबा लाइन. एंड आई फेल्ट सो बैड फॉर द ब्राइड एंड द ग्रूम, बिकॉज वो लोग हंस रहे थे ऐसे करके, ओ थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. एक पॉइंट क्या होता लगा, अरे मैच इधर भाई, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए आपका. मेरे को सोना है भाई. मैं पूरा दिन गर्मी में खड़ा हूँ. आई कांट डू दिस शिट. But that was fun. That was fun. Food was amazing. Food was amazing. But this thing about weddings, I feel के, I feel you should have a big elaborate wedding. जितना खर्चा कर सकते हो उतना खर्चा करो. Because then that is your insurance policy to not getting divorced. If you have like a wedding जिसके अंदर आपने 1 2 3 4 5 10 करोड़ स्पेंड किए, आपको डिवोर्स के बारे में आप सोचोगे ही नहीं. इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, योर पेरेंट्स विल ओनली टेल यू कि भाई दूसरी तो नहीं होने वाली है तेरी, ये पहली में ही सब पैसे डाल दिए है, जो करना है कर ले, फिगर दिस शिट आउट. दूसरी के लिए वी डोंट हैव मनी. सो इफ यू वांट टू, fuck going to therapy, fuck having an opening, fuck having a clear communication with your partner, just have an elaborate wedding. Just मतलब जितना पैसा है वो सब लगा दो उस पे, and then you have to be married, because you know दूसरी शादी तो स्टिग्मा अराउंड इट तो आपको रोक ही देगा. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू डोंट हैव द मनी फॉर अनदर वेडिंग, तो आपको यही वाली में चलाना पड़ेगा. द मोर यू नो. लाइफ एडवाइस विद ईशान. अभी रिसेंटली देयर वाज दिस स्पेसक्राफ्ट दैट वेंट टू स्पेस, एंड जेफ बेजोस एंड कैटी बोल दिया मैंने भाई, केटी पेरी एंड द वाइफ ऑफ जेफ बेजोस. आई डोंट नो हर नेम, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग द वाइफ ऑफ जेफ बेजोस. इट्स नॉट लाइक शी इज डन एनीथिंग इनक्रेडिबल एज कंपेयर टू जेफ बेजोस. सो whatever, they had gone to space, and Katy Perry was being trolled because this is the difference when you're pretending. Someone asked her के what do you feel you're, पहले तो उसको astronaut बोल दिया. You're not an astronaut. Being an astronaut is like the most difficult thing you could do with your life, और आप astronaut नहीं हो. You are just a pop star who had like a few bangers back in the day. So someone asked her, how do you feel you're an astronaut, this, that and the other. तो बोलती है, I feel healed. I experienced so much love. What the fuck are you talking about? You were literally in space. There's a void in space. She's like, I looked at the earth and it just shows that we're all one, and we're like so much hate. I'm like, this is a difference between someone who's pretending and someone who's not pretending. You ask a guy, why space से क्या लगा आपको? भाई मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ भाई, इधर से बुर्ज खलीफा नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था भाई, ये क्या सीन है? दैट इज व्हाट गोना बी ऑन द माइंड ऑफ अ गाय or someone who's not pretending. She's like, OMG, we're one. We need to be loved. I feel so complete. I am healed. Bro, what are you talking about? What healed? You were literally in space for like 10 minutes. Where is this? Oh my god, my trauma. This is what happens when people don't have friends. Why? The news reporter asked you, what do you think? You are an astronaut. How was space? I am healed. Fuck is wrong with you, idiot? Lastly, speaking of idiots, there was this whole tariff war going on between the US and China. So Chinese manufacturers were just like, fuck it, we will sell your products without the brand logo, uh, at cost or just a little profit lagake. And if I'm being very honest, if someone, I'm not a big brand person, if someone tells me that this shoe is a Nike and it's from China without the logo, it's for like supposedly 100 rupees. Whereas अगर आप Nike with the logo लेने जाओगे तो आपको 1000 रुपए लगेगा या 500 रुपए लगेगा. I am buying the China shit. I don't care. As long as it's not an Indian brand, I am buying the Chinese product. I don't give a shit. You have to understand that you can get the same quality for like 1/10 the price. Why would you want to pay more? But then the whole then the whole point of discussion becomes, ke, is it really the same thing if the logo is not there? Yes, it is the same thing. You don't have to be fucking pretentious here. And it's fine. Like let this tariff war go on. Let them reduce the price more. Doesn't really matter as long as you're getting the shit without the logo. How is it of any concern? So it doesn't really matter कि आप लोगो है नहीं है. Bro, the quality is same unless you're buying stuff to show other people okay, this is Louis Vuitton and this is Wild Saint Laurent. It doesn't really matter. Before I end, I would like to talk about this show that I recently binged watched. I usually don't binge watch anything, but this just happened to get my attention. There's this show on Amazon Prime called Cough. Bro, I don't like to watch a lot of sad stuff, and मैंने इसके reviews देखे and a lot of people like the reviews were talking about uh, it being a must watch, it being good and all that stuff. I would recommend everyone just see it once. I'm not someone who's comfortable with serious topics like rape and female infanticide and just in general stuff. I would much rather watch shit that is happy, shit that is funny. But this show, I would not like to spoil it. I would just say that if you're interested in watching something that is a thriller, that is has very good acting, that has a serious story, that has a lot of visual storytelling, I think you should watch it. And I feel, as a guy, if you're watching it, just watch it with yourself. Don't watch it with your family. Do not watch this show with your family. I don't think Indian families are ready to have a conversation about serious topics, and I don't think Indian families can watch something like this. But everyone who's in the show has done an amazing job. The visuals are, it's just horrible, and in the good way. And yeah, I feel it is a uncomfortable watch. I feel I wouldn't recommend it to any girl, not because it's just, I think it talks about stuff that they go through on a day to day basis. So I'm just like कि आपको तो पता ही है ये इसमें क्या होता है. तो I wouldn't recommend it to that, but I would recommend, guys, you should see it. It just makes you more paranoid. I've just been on edge since the few days that I've seen the show. I think that's for the better. So देख लो खौफ. It's I think 8 episodes, 40 minutes. I think एक एक दिन में हो जाएगा आपका. and you would want to keep watching it. Like it shit just ties into each episode, just leads into the other episode very, very, very well. So I think you should watch it. That's it for this episode. If you like this, make sure you subscribe to the podcast on Spotify or wherever you get your podcast. You can check out my YouTube channel. I upload there daily, so you can check it out. Ishan Arora. Follow me on Instagram. Follow this podcast page on Instagram. That's it for today. I will see you guys in another episode. Till then, bye.